good morning everyone. How are you doing on this beautiful Friday? So, I wanted to show you the importance of nutrition. So whether it's breakfast or lunch, this will still be amazingly delicious. Remember that this shake makes for 2 days, so literally it's like a meal prep. But at the same time, guys, I want to show you, what recipes, what mixes you can do, and what is powerful for the body. A lot of people ask me, Jessica, what do you eat? Well, let me show you what my meal replacement shakes are, because if you guys don't understand the importance of, nutrition and what your body is lacking, then that's right there is where we're beginning to drop the ball. You guys know that I've been battling cancer for over 7 years. I was only given 1 year to live, and you know what, that is simply not the case. I did a meal replacement shake, breakfast shake for you guys, a couple of days ago, and let me tell you, not only did I get many inboxes, but also comments on people saying, show me, this is what I need. So I'm going to show you a different recipe. I'm going to show you what I make and what goes into my body. The importance of nutrition. Remember what I tell you guys, alkaline. Everything alkaline for the body is what it needs. When you guys are sick, any sickness, I don't care, from cancer, diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, it doesn't matter what you have, okay? If you are sick with any diagnosis, that means that the body is acidic. What you need is to alkalinize the body so that you can balance the body and fight back. If you don't know what to do and you're feeding it all the wrong foods, then you're gonna continue to keep your body acidic. Therefore, guys, you're not doing your body any good. If in fact, you're just feeding your sickness that much more. So how did I beat the odds, and how am I still here? Well, it's almost lunch, but this is what I'm gonna have for my lunch. So we're gonna start with a meal replacement shake. That's what I call them, okay guys? So here's my little cup, and I've already chopped up, pre-chopped up all my fruits and vegetables that I'm gonna use today, and I'm gonna show you what they are, because you guys need to understand the importance of them. Here is chopped up cucumbers. So cucumbers is what's gonna go into my shake, okay? Okay, next I'm going to put half of a lime cut into my shake. Why? Because lime is extremely alkaline, amazing taste for your shake, and it's only gonna help your fruits and vegetables become that much more alkaline. Remember what I tell you, I make recipes that are super powerful to keep the body alkaline. Next is going to be 1 full avocado. There goes your avocado. And what I wanted to talk to you guys about also, so that you guys have an understanding, is if you notice, I think I kept it, yes I did. Right here, I kept the serial number of the avocado. Why? Because many people don't understand that, or they think they're buying organic. No. Guys, if the serial number, I don't care what store you're buying from, if it does not start with the number 9, then that means that it is not organic. It has to be a number 9. That shows you that it is an organic food, okay? So let's throw that away. So now you got your cucumbers and a 1 full peeled avocado. Now, throw this. Next, aloe. I know you guys are probably gonna say, what? Aloe. If it's amazing for the outside of the body, think of aloe. Aloe vera is good for cuts, burns. It's an amazing healing agent for the body. You know how much treatment I've been under? If it's good for the outside of the body, why wouldn't it be good for the inside of the body to heal what damage and free radicals have been affected by my body? So I've already, if you see, I've already taken this apart. You see this jelly, right? It's also gonna go into my shake. And yes, if this shake is not made properly, then you're going to taste the bitterness. That's not what I want for you. So here we go. There's the other side of my aloe. There you go. Now, I also chopped up some celery and spinach, okay? Celery and spinach are amazing for the body. Celery and spinach is something that I put into my shakes all the time. So we're gonna put this in. It's already been pre-washed. Everything that that you see me putting in, guys, I've already pre-washed it with my Enagic Alkaline Kangen water with 11.5. Why? Because my 11.5 cleans all fruits, all vegetables, kills pesticides, you name it, it cleanses. You would not believe what this alkaline water does. My strawberries, for example, when I put it in my 11.5, guys, what you think, you know, tap water is rinsing your fruits and vegetables, wrong. The 11.5, if you let it sit with your fruits, vegetables, example, strawberries, you will see little bugs literally come up and you're going, oh my God, I didn't realize that that's what you're eating if your fruits and vegetables are not cleaned properly. Nothing can survive in a pH of an 11.5. Therefore, if it's an insect, you know, what, it's going to die. So it literally floats up and you're going, wow. And not only that, but your fruits taste amazingly sweet. It gives it such a cleaner taste. So I highly recommend that you get a Kangen alkaline water unit. I will not endorse anything else because I know what my machine has done for me. Okay, next are going to be the choice of fruits that I have chosen today. I've always told you half a slice of a pineapple, okay? What you're seeing color around it is blueberries because that's next. And I already have it chopped up. Now, a lot of people say, well, man, you know, I buy my fruits, my vegetables, and everything goes bad. It's so expensive to go organic, and then your fruits and vegetables don't last. Well, let me give you a tip. All my fruits and vegetables, literally, I don't know if you can hear this. Okay, they're iced. I cut everything or chop it up. I put it in like quart size or gallon size, and I throw everything into the freezer. Why? Because I know what it does cost, and I want my fruits and vegetables to last me. But they're amazingly delicious for a meal replacement shake, especially when you want it cool. You know, I'm gonna put some ice in here anyways, and of course, even my ice is made with alkaline water. So here goes my blueberries. Now, I've done papaya, half a slice of a banana, and blueberries, and half a slice of pineapple. Those four are the fruits that I've chosen today to put into my meal replacement shake. Let me just wash my hands real quick, guys. Okay, next is going to be my powders, okay? Now, cinnamon, let's go with cinnamon. Organic cinnamon is what I'm gonna choose because I put in the, what was it? The aloe vera. Guys, the aloe vera is a very bitter taste. I told you guys if you don't know how to mix it well. So cinnamon literally softens the taste and doesn't allow the aloe vera to taste bitter. So I absolutely would recommend cinnamon into your shake, okay? So I put about maybe half a teaspoon of cinnamon in this shake. So there's my cinnamon. I told you guys about hemp and how I feel about hemp. My hemp powder, okay? Teaspoon into my shake. Next, we're gonna do turmeric. I love turmeric powder, guys. Why? Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory. What is sickness and disease? Inflammation in the body. So turmeric is something that you want absolutely in the body to help your body heal. Next choice is going to be my moringa. Okay, another teaspoon of moringa. There you go. Okay, that's going in. Now, you see this shake, here it goes. It's all filling, fruits, vegetables. You have your powders, your proteins. And last, I'm going to use my vegan protein vanilla powder. 0 sugars. You can buy this at Sprouts, Whole Foods. Look at your proteins, guys. Make sure that it's not loaded with sugar because you're defeating the purpose of what you're trying to do when it comes to healing the body. So there's my, you see that little mountain up there? Yeah, making a mess over here. That's okay. Like I said, I want it to taste delicious. I want you to learn correctly what is good for the body, what your body needs. And you guys can, it's your choice. Whether you choose almond milk, cashew milk, or you can use coconut milk. Guys, honestly, I do nothing without my alkaline water. Why? The lime, fruits and vegetables, all greens. I have my powders, my proteins, everything in there for a powerful meal. And I'm gonna put alkaline water so that it can give me the more nutrients for my fruits and vegetables. What a powerful shake. What is my choice? In my Kangen alkaline water machine has many different levels that I can choose from. It's digital. I'm choosing today 9.0. 9.0 is fabulous for the body. So let's put some 9.0 into the shake. Okay. Now I'm going to put the cap on there. Cover this up. Perfect. And then we're gonna blend. Now, let me show you how this becomes for 2 meals, 2 days, and again, you get enough for the body that will be super filling. Okay, you see these sizes? This is half the size of this cup. So literally from my shake, oops, let me get it open. Look at how thick this is. Super thick. I put half of that. There you go. Let me close it up. And save it, put it in the fridge for tomorrow. This will be already ready to go for tomorrow. And I'll explain and show you how. So you see that I'm left with half of my shake left. I'm going to put alkaline ice from my Enagic alkaline water. Watch. my little ice maker. You see my little ice? And it's all alkaline. Everything I do. Okay, so I have my ice maker. Then I'm going to add water to maybe about right here. Maybe a fourth. 9.0. Done. Okay? So now you see where it's at. Now we're gonna put the cap back on and we're gonna shake it because it was way too thick. Way too thick and concentrated. So now we're gonna blend again. Give it about 15-20 seconds, more or less. So that everything gets mixed really, really good. There you go. Now, this is my cup of literally my meal. All I do is look at the difference on the consistency. Like a smoothie. What did I say? Man, I'm good. I've done this for so long now. I know perfect measurements. And that is a meal replacement shake. You get all the nutrients for your body, super powerful, and you fight back sickness and diseases. If you know what you put in the body, you too can beat the odds. Don't ever think that you can't. So you know what? Keep on following, learn more recipes. Thank you for following my Cancer Void YouTube channel and podcast, because there is where you're gonna learn a lot more on how to bring your body back. Don't ever feel or do not believe the report or the doctors when they say, you know what, there's nothing more that I can do for you. I was told that in 2014, and guess what? I'm still here. How? Because I decided to learn my enemy, I decided to fight back, and I decided to detox the body and put in the body what it needed in the first place. If you do that, I guarantee you, you're gonna beat the odds too. So continue to follow me, guys. God bless you all. Oh, let me chase this. Super delicious. Super delicious. You guys gotta try it. God bless you all. I continue following.